Good evening, this is Paul from Paul's Kitchen. Please forgive me, I've had a very entertaining week. My camera that I'm used to filming this on broke, and it's going to be a little bit before I'm going to have the money to replace it. So I'm using my phone. My wife's going to be able to take care of a lot of this for us. She's at work right now, and I'm not, I don't have anybody around to actually help right now, so I do apologize for being filming this way, but it is what it is. So I'm working with my cell phone. It's a little later at night right now, so unfortunately it is what it is. So today I'm going to talk about a video about something Amy and I are trying to do, and this is going to be my hot sauce themed by Motorhead, and I'm calling it Killed by Death. And the reason for this is I want to make my Indian friends down the hall proud of me by making something that even they would go, So this is going to be ready for 2 weeks. And the reason for that is I'm fermenting hot peppers. So step number one is to get mason jar. And what you want to do is you want to make sure it's sterilized. And it's very, very important. If you're not familiar with this, please take a moment and go look it up. Look around for some information on it. Not too hard. I'm using Scotch bonnet and ghost peppers. Very, very hot. I've taken a whole clove of garlic. I've chopped that up pretty good. I've taken the peppers and I've beaten them and gotten them in there. I've got some onion in here. I put some salt in here for the brine. So basically, and I'll just start here, you want to make sure that you have your peppers and then your garlic and then your onions. I'm using Spanish peppers on this, or Spanish onions, pardon. And basically what you do is you cut them up, you put them in a mason jar, and you fill it with brine. Some people use vinegar for the brine. I'm not, because vinegar takes away from the heat. So I'm using water and salt. I've got a little pepper, cayenne, nutmeg. You can put a lot more in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it in a mason jar, and you're going to open it up once a day just to inspect it, make sure everything still looks kosher. You want to keep everything under the water, obviously. Mix it all up. I've got 2 bottles here, and at the end of the day, I plan on having it pureed, and you'll see the next steps eventually. Please forgive me for the last couple months, or for the last month. I've been extremely sick and getting things back under control. I'm feeling a lot better now, which is a good thing, but that's where I've been. So anyways, please check out the next video when it's ready for when we intend to start making the actual sauce. So that's step number 1. And here's the other bottle, by the way. And it's going to be really good, I think. I plan on making it really sweet textured, really good. I hope you guys tune in and you guys can like it. Have a good day.